Hey guys, and welcome. In this video I will be comparing n8n and Relevance AI. So which one is the best? So let's just dive right in. So first of all, n8n is basically an open source automation powerhouse. I personally use this software as well. This also offers no code and low code workflow building with deep integration capabilities, easy connect APIs, databases, and you can say like tools like GPT. You have your Slack and more integrations in there. It is basically perfect for developers and tech savvy users who want to take full control and flexibility. So you got a grasp of n8n, whether to choose it or not. Now if we on the other hand simply dive onto you can say like Relevance AI, it is also an amazing platform. You can see we are onto its dashboard, and this is basically good for automation where basically we meet AI intelligence, and it combines AI workflows with built-in vector databases, embeddings, and smart labeling tools. So basically if we talk about key features, n8n shines in basically custom automations and integrations, whereas Relevance AI is basically native tasks like embeddings. In that particular scenario it is going to be better, where basically AI native tasks are like embeddings, classifications, and analysis. Now if we talk about which one is the best, if you need raw powerhouse flexibility, you can go with n8n. So of course it is going to be basically really flexible, customizable. You can simply dive into different nitty-gritty details, and if you are simply willing to get out of the box some value and have some intelligence, AI intelligence and automations, nothing too much deep, then you can go with Relevance AI. So I hope you got the point, and if you did, make sure to subscribe to our channel, like the video, and share it with your friends.